Hey folks, welcome to the first video in getting started with MCP Toolbox for databases in Google ADK. This is the start of a journey that will fundamentally change how you think about building AI applications. For the last few years, we have had access to incredibly powerful language models. They can write, they can reason, they can hold a conversation, but most of them share one critical flaw. They are disconnected from the data that actually runs your businesses. What if you could change that? What if you could ask an agent questions like generate the daily sales summary or even showing the product performance report by store? That's not just a chatbot, that's a data aware copilot. And in this course, I'm going to give you the complete blueprint to build it yourself. A little bit about me, I'm a Google developer expert for Google Workspace. I recently graduated from NMIMS Mumbai with a bachelor's in technology. Additionally, I'm a technical writer and public speaker. This course is designed for Python developers who are keen to get their hands dirty and build practical AI systems. Over the next set of videos, we're going to be covering everything you need. We'll first dive into the fundamental concepts, understanding the problem, understanding the data gap, followed by some MCP concepts, after which we'll get started with the agent development kit where we'll build a couple of basic agents to enhance our ADK knowledge, after which we'll build our first basic MCP server, after which we'll do an MCP toolbox deep dive, and in the end we'll be having a couple of hands-on projects where we'll be building an inventory management agent followed by a sales data copilot that you just saw in demo. To follow along, you need some intermediate Python knowledge and a basic understanding of what a database is. Maybe a Google Sheet that you worked with, BigQuery, SQL, etc. You'll also need a Google Cloud account to work with BigQuery, and in case you want to deploy your server, you'll want to do it on Cloud Run. My goal for this tutorial series or course is pretty simple, is to take you from a developer who uses AI to a developer who connects AI to real world value. If you're ready to build, then you're in the right place. All the resources for this tutorial series will be in a Medium blog and the GitHub repo that are linked below. In the very next video, we'll jump right in and demonstrate the data gap problem live. I'll see you in the next one.